Hello fellow makers and welcome back to 3D printed soup with me, Father Princemas. I've had a few people in the comments say that my beard isn't looking as natural and full as it used to. I don't know what they mean, but apparently it's becoming a bit disconcerting. So I've been contacted by a guy called Chris at Chris's Creative Content, a fantastic YouTube personality. Check out his channel, it's very, very good. If you like props and painting, you could go a lot worse than seeing Chris's creative content. He suggested that I should 3D print a beard. Well, you know what? I'm always up for a challenge, so let's use some 3D Christmas magic and... Shazam! There! A 3D printed beard for Father Princemas. Now, I don't think it's as full and as natural as my last beard, but hey, you've got to listen to what the people want. So from now on, 3D printed beard for 3D printed Father Princemas. This file was created by this fine maker here. Check him out, and if you like it, give him a print and a comment. Thank you very much for watching 3D printed soups, 3D printed advent calendar with me, Father Princemas. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you fancy buying me a glass of sherry and a mince pie, there's a coffee link below. 3D beards don't grow on trees, you know. These things cost money. Stay happy, stay safe, keep printing. What do you mean I look like Bane?